Awesome morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 4. Why do bees buzz? Have you ever tried to listen carefully to the sounds around us? When we feel that everything is quiet, we can still hear the sounds of animals, insects, or birds around us, especially when we are near a tree or a garden. Different animals, insects, or birds make different kinds of sounds and for different reasons. Read the following story to know more about one such sound. Buzz. Hey, what's all that buzz about? Is it a code word used by bees to call their friends? Or a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. And the quicker they beat, the louder the buzz. Bees also buzz to do something very useful. They carry pollen from one flower to the other like postmen delivering letters. Pollen is the powdery grain on flowers. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout all around. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to the bees' feet? When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then, when the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen off on other flowers. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up new ones, and this process continues. Bees are the buzzing godfathers of many new plants that grow away from the parent tree. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not. But you can hear a bee breathing. That is because the buzz is also the sound of the bee breathing. It has a small, segmented body, so when it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all those bumpy parts inside and creates a buzz. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing?